Hey friends, Luck here. Welcome back to another comparison video between the Redmi Watch 2 and today we're looking at the Huawei Band 6. So this is just a comparison between the two devices. The Huawei Band, which has been considered definitely one of the best smart bands of this year and something that is absolutely an amazing device to use. So we're going to be comparing it to the new Redmi Watch 2. So comparing these two devices are pretty easy. Both of them are quite different in the sense that the Redmi Watch 2 is a smartwatch while the Huawei Band 6 is a smart band. But they definitely do have a lot in common as well as some differences. So first, let's look at the build quality. So the build quality of the Redmi Watch 2 is a plastic design overall. Right now, it has a full AMOLED display with a 1.6 inch screen display, which is something that is absolutely beautiful. So comparing that to the previous Redmi watch that was out, it is definitely a very huge upgrade. So overall, we have interchangeable straps at the back. We also have magnetic connectors here for the charger, and we have different sensor ports. So the difference in the sensor ports is just to accommodate the inclusion of the blood oxygen level as well as menstrual cycle monitoring system. We also have a mic on the device as well. So looking at the honor band is definitely different when it comes to the screen size. It has more of a band look compared to the Redmi Watch 2. So the Huawei band definitely looks absolutely beautiful. It also has interchangeable straps and also has magnetic connectors for the charging. It also has sensors at the back, which enable heart rate tracking, blood oxygen monitoring system, sleep monitoring system as well. So let's look at what is in the two devices. So looking at the surface of the two devices, you can see that both of them do have extremely beautiful AMOLED screens. So let's look at the menu of the two devices. So the menu are in a different layout in the two devices. This is because the Redmi Watch 2 is bigger than the Huawei Band 6 in terms of screen real estate. So because of this particular point, it has a very good arrangement when it comes to the application list and is very easy to navigate and very easy to use, which is something that I really enjoy over the Huawei Band 6. In terms of workout modes and the applications that we have in this device, the workout modes in the two devices are quite similar and also quite different. The new Redmi Watch 2 now has over 117 different workout modes, which is an amazing inclusion into the line of the Redmi Watch. So, in terms of the things that we have in this and this watch, we also have the blood oxygen monitoring system, our heart rate monitoring system. We also have the sleep tracking and stress monitoring system on the Huawei Band 6. So overall, the two devices are quite different. So I would say it definitely depends on whichever one you feel is absolutely good for you. So in terms of navigation, swiping down you get the widgets on the Huawei Band 6 while you get messages on the Redmi Watch 2. Swiping up on the Redmi Watch 2, you get the widgets, while swiping up on the Huawei Band, you get your messages. So both of them, you do not have the ability to reply messages directly, which is definitely something that I do not like. And both of them do not have internal memory to be able to store music on the two devices. Swiping to the sides, you get the applications on your devices, although not all of them, you get the basic ones that you use every single day. So that is something that is quite useful. On the hands, both of them do appear quite different. Like I said, it's a smart watch versus a smart band. So obviously they are going to be different looking on the hand and have different real estates on the hand. So the Redmi Watch 2 does have a rise to wake feature, which is something that is absolutely amazing and something that I really love. I've seen some things online that said it has an always on display. I have definitely not seen the always on display working. I just know that it has a rise to wake feature. So I cannot speak about anything related to the always on display. overall using it gives you the feel of a watch. The screen is quite big and fits comfortably on the hands for both men and women, so it's something that is quite amazing. For the Huawei Band 6, it is a smart band, so definitely the way it looks on the hand, it's quite different. Although it is a little bit bigger than other smart bands, for example, the Mi Band 6, it is still a smart band and it definitely has a different look compared to the Redmi watch. So this doesn't necessarily look bad. It looks really amazing on the hands, and the navigation of the system is definitely quite easy. It also has a rise to wake feature, which is very reactive and it works absolutely very well. So the both of them, when it comes to their battery life, the Redmi Watch 2 is said to boast about a 14-day battery life, which is slightly lower than that of the Huawei Band 6. So it is definitely something that you guys should think about. If you are in for a smartwatch, then I can definitely recommend the new Redmi Watch 2. It has lots of new amazing features, and the updates that have been given to this particular device is absolutely amazing. So it just depends on whatever you feel like you want to use the device for, and also determined on your desire, because most of them do have exactly the same features. So it just has to do with the fact that if you want a smart band or if you want a smart watch, because it having the same features and almost at the same base price for the two devices, what determines what you want is just whichever one you feel is more comfortable in your hands and whichever one you feel you want to use for a longer time. When I had the Redmi Watch 1, definitely I could not recommend the Redmi Watch 1 because it had a lot of a lot of things missing on the device. But right now the Redmi Watch 2 has been upgraded and updated in such a way that you can definitely be able to use it for a long time, and you can definitely be able to do whatever you want with this particular device. So I would definitely recommend for anyone looking for a smartwatch, you should get the Redmi Watch 2. It is an amazing bargain and it is something that I feel you can use for a really long time, maybe until a new model comes out or until you are tired of it and want to upgrade to a better one. But if you're looking for a very good smart band, then the Huawei Band 6 is definitely a good option, as well as the Mi Band 6 or the Honor Band 6. They are very amazing options for you. Or you can as well choose the new Redmi Band 6. It just all depends on whatever your choice is. So this was just a comparison video between these two devices. So whichever one you choose is still your choice, but both of them are absolutely amazing devices. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one.